Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to share something with you which costs nothing and it just takes 1 minute but can quietly add years to your life. Yes, years. And no, it's not medicine, not yoga, not diet. It is something we all used to do naturally as children. But somewhere after responsibilities, stress, and life's pressures, we forgot. It is smiling. Welcome back to my channel Life After 50 with Ratnacha, where we talk about living a healthier, safer, happier life after 50 and also guide the younger generation how to prepare before they reach this beautiful stage of life. Because here we don't just go older, we go wiser, stronger, and more joyful. Let me tell you something honestly. There was a time, not very long ago, when I had everything going well in life. But still, I wasn't smiling much. Busy thinking, planning, worrying, and somewhere my face forgot how to relax. Then one day, I saw an old photograph of mine and I said, Ratna, where did that smile go? That day, I made a very small decision. Every day, I will smile consciously, even if I don't feel like it. And slowly, something started changing. Not outside first, but inside. Now, let me tell you something very interesting. Your brain is a little funny. It cannot always tell the difference between a real smile and a deliberate smile. So even if you force yourself to smile, your brain says, oh, we are smiling, life must be good. And what happens? Your body starts releasing dopamine, the feel good chemical, serotonin, happiness stabilizer, neuropeptides, stress fighters, and most importantly, it reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, which means your heart rate slows down, your tension reduces, your mind becomes calmer. So, next time when you are stressed, don't argue with the situation immediately. Just pause and smile for 1 minute. It feels strange at first, I agree, but slowly your body will thank you. Smile. Now, this one surprised even me. As we grow older, small aches, stiffness, joint pains become part of life. But do you know smiling actually releases endorphins? These are your body's natural painkillers. Which means instead of always depending on medicines for small discomfort, a simple smile can reduce pain, perception, relax muscles, improve your mood at the same time. I tried this personally. Sometimes, when I have a slight discomfort, I just sit quietly, breathe, and smile gently. Within a few minutes, the intensity reduces. It's not magic, it's your body working with you instead of against you. Now, let's talk about something very important, especially after 50, immunity. Today's world, with changing weather, pollution, and stress, we need a strong immune system more than ever. And here again, smiling helps. When you smile, your body relaxes, stress reduces, your immune system functions better. It actually helps in producing antibodies, activating infection fighting cells, which means you are not just feeling better, you're becoming stronger from inside. Simple habit, powerful impact. Now, this is my favorite part. A smile is never just yours, it spreads. Have you noticed? If someone smiles at you genuinely, you automatically feel lighter. This happens because of something called mirror neurons in our brain. We reflect what we see. So when you smile, others feel comfortable. Conversations become easier. Loneliness reduces. And after 50, this becomes very important because many people feel isolated, less connected, less valued, but a smile changes that instantly. I have experienced this, even with strangers. A simple smile opens doors that words cannot. Now becomes the most fascinating part. There was a study done on baseball players from the 1950s. Researchers looked at their photographs. Some players had big, genuine smiles, others had serious expressions. And do you know what they found? Those who smiled more lived on average 7 years longer. 7 years. Now think about that. No extra cost, no effort, just a positive expression, a lighter approach to life. And it adds years to your journey. Because smiling is not just an expression, it is a reflection of your mindset. And mindset shapes health, relationships, and longevity. Now you may ask, Ratna, how do you start? So, very simple. Every day, just 1 minute. Morning, look at yourself in the mirror. Smile, even if it feels artificial. Afternoon, smile during a stressful moment. Evening, smile while talking to someone. Night, smile before sleeping. That's it. No big effort, no pressure, just consistency. My dear friends, life after 50 is not about slowing down, it's about softening, understanding, and enjoying more deeply. And sometimes the biggest changes come from the smallest habits. A smile may not solve every problem, but it changes how you face every problem. So from today, make this small promise to yourself. I will smile more. Not because life is perfect, but because I choose peace over pressure. If this message touched your heart, do share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack, where we care for your health, happiness, and safety, and guide you to live not just longer, but better. Until next time, keep smiling because your smile may be adding years to your life. Bye.